A powerful winter storm is sweeping east from the plains, bringing snow, ice, rain, and strong winds to much of the U.S., with blizzard warnings across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes. Forecasters warn of travel disruptions, whiteouts, and waves over 25 feet on Lake Superior. Meanwhile, sudden cold fronts will end the recent record warmth in the South. Expect heavy snow in the Midwest, severe thunderstorms in the South, and freezing rain in New England as the storm intensifies and holiday travel remains challenging.